Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about Sync Slicer in Power BI. Sync Slicer in Power BI allow you to link slicer on other report pages together so that selecting a value in one slicer automatically filters data in other connected slicer. Let me switch to the computer for the demo. So here you can see report. It has three pages: KPI, product and country, sales, and trade. On each page, I have a slicer region. You can see here region. On product and country cell page, you can see the region. And on trend also, you can see the region slicer. If I select region Europe, so it is working perfectly fine as expected. It is filtering all the visual on this page, but there is no impact on product and country sales page, and similarly on trend page. So basically what I want if I will select value in one slicer, automatically filters data on other pages. So now I will implement a sync slicer now. So I will select this visual or slicer, and I will from top I will select on view, and you can see here sync slicer. Just click on the sync slicer, and here you can see the page name, KPIs, product and country, and trade. Just check out all these three. Now, after that you can close from here. Now let me select a Europe. So you can see the other visual is filtered. Similarly, you can see on other page, product and country sales page, the Europe is selected, and based on the selection, the visual is also filtered. Similarly, on the trend page as well. Now let me select a North America from here. So you can see based on the selection, visual is filtered. And now let me check on the product and country sales page. You can see here the visual is also filtered and North America is selected. Similarly on KPI as well. This is the one way to implement a sync slicer. There is a other way also to implement a sync slicer. Now, to implement the second way, let me delete this page, this slicer, and let me delete this one also. And let me go back to the KPI. I will select this slicer and I will see Control C. I will copy this slicer and I will come to product and country sales page and I will say Control V. So once I will say Control V, you can see two options, the sync and don't sync. Just click on the sync. And let me move on the top. For trend page, I will do the similar thing. I will say Control V. So again, it is asking sync or don't sync. I will click on the sync and I will move the slicer on top. Now let me select a Europe from here. So you can see the Europe is selected on the product and country sales page, and similarly KPI as well. And based on the selection, the visual is also filtered. That's all for this video, and I request you to please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.